I'm the project manager here on Navigator of the Seas, and we're in the sunny Bahamas, so welcome on board.
This Royal Amplified project on board the Navigator of the Seas is really touching every single of the decks of the vessel.
We deliver about 1,200 containers to the ship. We know where everything is at any given time. The cost is around $115 million for all the work we're doing on the entire ship.
And it really is this orchestration of the construction, of the engineering. Probably the Blaster and the Riptide are the most significant part.
This is an aqua blaster water slide, and with that there are 9 huge pumps that we have to install. We have a 10-meter water tank that we've had to install. We virtually pulled apart deck 11, deck 12 on the aft section of the ship to actually construct this water park.
We had to add more than 200 tons of material on board Navigator of the Sea. And the quantity of water to run these 2 slides is about 70 tons of water.
We are lucky enough to have the first resort pool of the fleet, so we actually double the surface of water that we have in the pool.
The Lime on Coconut is our bar that is going to feature on 3 decks, 2 bars with lots of opportunity for lounging, for sitting, for chilling out just next to the pools, to the jacuzzis.
That, together with a combination of El Loco Fresh, which is our grab-and-go Mexican favorite, and our Johnny Rockets Express, will not make you want to leave the pool deck. And we're adding the bamboo room to the Royal Promenade, together with our favorite sports bar, which is Playmakers. And we're actually adding our first concept to the brand as well, which is To Dry For, which is our very own blow-dry bar at sea.
I'm looking forward to seeing the guest faces when they walk up that gangway to see what we've done to this amazing ship and how fantastic all the venues are going to look. We're going to see so many excited kids and adults, I'm sure.